What's up everybody, I'm Troy Roberts, and I am deep into Badass-tober. If you don't know what that is, it is an art challenge for the month of October, similar to Inktober if you're familiar with that, except it's not specifically in ink. All art styles, anything you want to do is included. I'm predominantly doing ink stuff. At some point I think I'm going to try a little bit different things, but right now it's just been ink, and I think what I'm going to do today is just going to be ink. Can you hear the friggin' hard drives on my computer going? They are moving some data around. Woo! Anyway, so while Badass-tober is a daily art challenge, I haven't been able to keep up on the daily grind of this. So today I'm working on trying to catch up. I'm going to try to do 3 drawings today. Let's see what the prompts I need to get. I missed clown, and I'm not interested in that. Wait, do I need to do 3? Today's the 15th, which is... So today what I'm going to be working on are Spiderweb, Witchy things, and today's prompt, sad. That's what we'll be working on today. Trying to see how far I can get, see if I can come up with some interesting things. So let's not talk about it anymore, let's just get to drawing. Alright, jumping into this, I'm going to start out with Spiderweb. I'm going to make my page completely black and then come back in with white and make the spider webs as a kind of a reverse silhouette, and then maybe do some like spider eyes coming from the background or some other kind of indication of the spider's presence. Now I'll wait for that to dry. Now that Spiderweb is done, we're going to move on to witchy things. So I had to kind of think for a little bit about this, kind of do a little bit of research on Pinterest and find some witchy things. So I'm thinking like little potion bottles, salt lamps. I'm trying to avoid the like witch's hat, the the pointy. Don't want to do something that obvious. Maybe like a bundle of sage. Is that a witchy thing? That's kind of what I'm thinking. So let's see what we come up with. there we have witchy stuff. And that concludes the 3 drawings to catch up on Badass-tober. Hope you guys liked it. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok under the same name, Troy Draws Things. You guys, I'll catch you in the next one.